Hello, let's look at this question. We are still on combination. What's the July 2006 question 10? Okay, so simplify n plus 1 combination 3 minus n minus 1 combination 3. So if you see it, this is not vector, it's combination. Alright. So let's solve. N plus 1 combination 3 minus n minus 1. Also combination 3. So this can be written as what? N plus 1 combination 3 minus n minus 1 combination 3. So if you see a question like this, okay, it depends on, especially the EMA students, okay, such a question, when it is put under the statistics and probability, please don't go and solve this question as a vector, or you guys say that n plus 1 minus n minus 1, 3 minus 3, you are done. No. Okay, so this type of question, 2006 question 13, it was under probability and statistics. So it is telling you that it is combination question. Is that okay? Alright, so let's continue. So we are going to have n plus 1 all factorial divided by what? 3 factorial n plus 1 minus 3 all factorial minus n minus 1 factorial divided by what? 3 factorial and then n minus 1 minus 3 all factorial. So this is what we are going to have. Okay, so let's continue. So we can have here as what? n plus 1 factorial divided by 3 factorial is what? 3 times 2 times 1, and then we are going to have what? 1 minus 3 will give me n minus 2 factorial minus n minus 1 factorial divided by 3 times 2 times 1, also multiplying n minus 4 minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 all factorial. So that you will have what? N plus 1 factorial all divided by 6 multiplying n minus 2 factorial minus n minus 1 factorial all divided by what? 6 multiplying n minus 4 all factorial. So this is what you can have. Alright, so with this we have n plus 1 here, so let's write in such a way that we can cancel out with what? The n minus 2, and then n minus 1 to n minus 1 to, let's write it in such a way that we can cancel the n minus 4, then we continue from there. Alright, so here can give us what? N plus 1 multiplying minus 1 n minus 1 and then n minus 2 all factorial, then 6 n minus 2 all factorial minus n minus 1 n minus 2 n minus 3 n minus 4 all factorial divided by 6 multiplying n minus 4 all factorial. You see, so that the n minus 2 here can cancel n minus 2. Alright, then my n minus 4 can cancel n minus 4 factorial. Then what do I have here? I have n plus 1 multiplying n minus 1 all over 6 minus n minus 1 multiplying n minus 2 multiplying n minus 3 also all over what? All over 6. Alright, so let me write it as a single fraction because they have a common denominator of 6. So I have n plus 1 n minus 1 minus n minus 1 n minus 2 n minus 3 all over 6. Okay, let me see if I can have anything that I can factorize. There is n minus 1 here and then n minus 1 here. Okay, so let me bring n minus 1 out, then we see what we are going to get. So I'll bring n minus 1 out. Then what will be left here is what? Will be n plus 1 multiplying n minus n minus 2 and then n minus 3, all divided by what? 6. So when you factorize, this is what you can get. Alright, n minus 1 will come out, and then remaining n plus 1 multiplying n minus 2, n minus 3. So let's try and then if we can expand the numerator. So let's continue on this side. So we are going to have what? N minus 1 multiplying what? This will give me n times n will give what? N square plus n minus n times n square, n times minus 3n minus 2 times n minus 2n minus 2 times minus 3 plus 6, all divided by 6. Okay, we will get there. I have n minus 1 out, then n square plus n. This will give me minus n square. Alright, so when I remove the brackets, and this is minus 3n minus 2, and that is minus 5n. So that will become minus 5n, minus 1 will be plus 5n, minus plus will be minus 6. All over what? All over 6. Okay, so this one is n square minus n square, minus 3 minus 2 will be minus 5n. So minus minus will be plus 5n, and then minus 6. Alright, so let's see what is going to happen. I have n minus 1. This and this will go. And then n plus 5n will give me what? 6n minus 6. Alright. All over 6. Is that not so? 6n minus 6 all over 6. So this is what we have now. Then what can we do? There is a 6 as a denominator. We can also factorize 6 here. So you can have here as what? N minus 1 multiplying, I can factorize 6 out here. N minus also 1 all over what? All over 6. So here when I factorize it, it becomes 6 multiplying n minus 1. So 6 times n will give me 6, and 6 times negative 1 give me negative 6. So that 6 here will cancel this 6. Then what do I have? N minus 1, n minus 1, which can be the same as n minus 1 all squared. So this becomes my answer. Okay, so when you simplify this is what you get. N minus 1 all squared. I believe you understand. Alright, I'll see you again in our next lesson. Bye bye.